Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, we're still on the 4 billion naira allegedly given or not given to the vice president of Nigeria, Yemi Osinbajo. This is a story that broke a couple of days ago and we did a video on it. So here is now Ibrahim Magu coming out to have his say on that particular matter. Guys, I bring you this. Magu clears air on 4 billion naira allegedly given to Osinbajo. So here is now Ibrahim Magu now coming to shine more light on this now 4 billion naira controversy that has gripped the office of the vice president. Again, EFCC, Magu clears air on 4 billion naira allegedly given to Osinbajo. So now let's now find out exactly what explanation is being dished out here. Suspended acting chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC, Ibrahim Magu, has denied giving 4 billion naira to Vice President Yemi Osinbajo. He said this when he appeared before the presidential panel investigating him on Thursday. Magu has spent the fourth day at the Force Criminal Investigation Department, FCID. A source disclosed what Magu said when he was grilled about Osinbajo. Magu was quoted as saying, "I did not tell the panel that I gave the vice president 4 billion naira. He quipped, "Where will I get such money? Do I have access to such funds? It is part of mudslinging. Please clear this. I do not have any control of such cash. I did not order the transfer of 4 billion naira to the vice president or anyone." Magu insisted that Osinbajo's name never came up at the panel session at all. "Since the vice president was not an issue, I could not have mentioned that I gave him 4 billion naira. Meanwhile, the vice president has asked the Inspector General of Police to investigate the allegation against him. His demand was contained in a July 9 petition signed by his lawyers Taiwo Oshipinton and Abimbola Kayode." So now this is now the latest development now with this guy now. So the Vice President Yemi Osinbajo has felt the need to issue a public statement to say that, look, they have no involvement with this guy, and I covered that on this channel. And now he has then followed that up by petitioning the Inspector General of Police to investigate where that narrative actually came from, that he got 4 billion naira from this guy. So this is now an ongoing investigation as well. And then to add the final nail to this now narrative, because this should really nail it, but it will not, of course, within the Nigerian space, because within the Nigerian space it doesn't really matter. They'll say, you go and sit down there, do you not know that they are all the same? What if he did they are not this not, because once that mud has been slung, it sticks to your body forever. So the guy had denied that he was giving any money. He had called the police to come and investigate where that story came from, and the guy that was alleged to have given him the money have now said that why would I give him money? I have no dealings with the guy and I did not give him any money. So that should quell it, but of course it will not. So now Ibrahim Magu has now denied this, but the Nigerian space is always the final judge, the court of public opinion. So the question is quite simple. Do you believe this denial by Yemi Osinbajo, now backed up, now buttressed by this denial also by Ibrahim Magu? Is this sufficient enough to quell that story, or do you think that there is more to it? So I know that there's certain quarters within my subscribers that will always follow a certain line, but the more logical response is what I will be looking to see in the comment section. So come share that logic with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Then once you've done all three, come tell me what your opinion is on this matter in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.